It seems to be the initial point of a galaxy that spins to the left. This initial point, this white point, as if we want to say, like right here, for example, this is a specific concept between male and female. In Nahuatl, it's called Ome Yokan. Remember what Ome means in moment in Nahuatl? Means two. Now, Yokan, it's two words together. The first word is Yolotl, which means heart, and Can, which means place. So we're saying the place of the two hearts, or the place of the dual heart. Now let's bring this Fortescatlipoca into our earth. The Nahua people, they were very clever to position the Fortescatlipoca in the way of the sun moves around our earth. They position each one of them on a specific moment in time according to the sun. So each one of them received a moment in time. Our mission today is to find 4 moments of 13 years that will complete to 52, because that's the amount of kilometers that we need to reach, okay, to create a whole sphere. So those are the 4 moments, all right? It begins with one Tecpatl, and then it carries on until we finally complete 13, and then Tecpatl until we finally complete 13 numbers of that, okay? So now we completed 13 numbers for each main year. The next year, which is Tochtli, and it's the year that we are right now. So Tochtli, in Nahuatl, it means Ipan inin Kawitl, Mowepawe, Moshoshikwe Pune, Moishkalia, which means in this time all grows, all blooms, all becomes aware, and all wakes up. Now what?
Coatl.
Very good. So Coatl will have to move this way, right? And it will have to be number 5. So I know it's very small, but if you count, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? So it's telling you from here, move to this next square.